concluded the basic and center filled chocolates class, where I have 5 students, 3 from Mumbai, 1 from Pune and 1 from Vellore. So we first started with basic chocolate making, where I introduced to you what is compound, what is couverture, how a tempering of couverture is done, which are the brands used for basic for the compounds, and which are the brands used for the couverture chocolates. So let's start. This is the first one which we did with a semi-sweet chocolate. This is your coffee. Now कॉफ़ी में हमने strong mocha यूज़ किया है, तो जितना आप कॉफ़ी डाल सकते हो उतना आपका strong हो जाएगा. Second, this is a coffee layer on the top and a white chocolate at the bottom. So this is a double layer chocolate. Then we did triplets, triple layer. This is your triple layer. Okay, where I've done white, brown and white. Then we did marble. That's a marble chocolate with Marie biscuit. I've shown you what is the right technique and method of doing the marble in a bowl and not in the mold. Okay. Next, your choco chips, which I showed you how to wrap it. So these are your chocolate chips with chocolate chips on the top. I've shown one more chocolate chip with white chocolate. This is the same. Then comes your dairy milk. This is your dairy milk, which we have done. And with that also I showed you dry fruit wala, which is your fruit and nut. And this is how you pack your dry fruit chocolate or your fruit and nut chocolate. Then comes your hazelnut. We did one with a hazelnut and one with butterscotch. Okay, so that's one of that. मैंने packing दिखाई आपको. इस तरह से हम इसको wrap करेंगे. Potli style, but after wrapping in the aluminium foil. Then I showed you the Oreo biscuit today in a different style. See, can you see how I have done the Oreo with the white chocolate and the effect of hearts? Okay, that's how I think almond rocks. Yes, almond rocks and the packing of almond rocks. Then your muesli cluster with muesli on the top. We've discussed the costing. We've shown you some packaging also of how to wrap these chocolates. Second, we continued with our next, which is our center filled chocolates. Now in our center filled chocolates, I've showed you all the chocolate centers which are made from scratch. We have used different ingredients to give the different texture of your fillings that we have made. So we started first with the pistachio delight. Now this is pistachio heart centered chocolate with pistachios on the top. Next is your Colombian coffee. I've wrapped the Colombian coffee where there's a coffee bean on the top and Colombian coffee at the bottom. This is a rose marzipan where there's a dry fruit mixture inside with a rose touch, like a rose flavor in it. This is a oozing butterscotch. I've shown you how to wrap it. Then this is another coffee orange liquid filling. Okay, I showed you how the right technique of liquid fillings work. Then coconut. This is your bounty. Same, we have done pina colada with a yellow tinge on the top. This is a mint thins that I showed you how to do the mint thin. The marble effect, which we can do in modak. Okay, then is your bubble gum. That's your bubble gum with the filling inside. Date and walnut. Okay, in the modak shape again. The lollipop. Okay, and yeah, then the essence chocolates that I showed you. We discussed the packaging of these and as well as the wrapping part. So that's how we concluded our day 1, day 2 together in one day itself. We are now doing the next, which is Monday, Tuesday, the advanced premium range chocolates, where coloring and all the other praline chocolates and your designer chocolates will be done on Monday. Okay. Anything else? Any other questions?